I got 7.5 in IELTS Academic. In this video, I will be sharing a necessary mindset shift, my personal study plan, only one IELTS YouTuber I trust, 11 hours free IELTS course, general advice, module specific advice for free. First, you all need to change your mindset. You all see IELTS as a fire-breathing dragon that you need to slay to go abroad. It's not. It's an English language test. So from now on, see IELTS as a bridge, as a friend who will help you go abroad. If you go abroad, you will have to communicate with English anyways, so get good at it. All of this content is on my Substack. If you prefer reading, you should go to my Substack. It's free. My personal study plan. Practice. Practice as much as possible. I had a lot of official IELTS books which contain real IELTS questions. I practiced them at test conditions. Also, mock exams are a great way to test yourself. Mock exams are practice IELTS exam, but they cost fraction of the actual IELTS exam. Official IELTS books and mock exam will cost you some money, but failing the exam will cost you more. In my opinion, IELTS Advantage is a trustworthy YouTube channel. Am I saying there aren't any better IELTS YouTuber out there? No, I'm telling you which channel I followed and trusted. What you do with that information is up to you. The 11 hours free IELTS course is also from them. Although this course is great, success stories at the end felt unnecessary. Only completing this course won't do you any good. You have to practice. IELTS is not easy, it's hard. But if you practice, it will become easy. Don't look for shortcuts or tips and tricks. You would be just wasting your time. Actually try to improve your English skill instead. You will have to use English anyways, might as well get good at it now. Focus on practicing, start your preparation early. You can start preparation early by creating good study habits. Simple habits go a long way. Make it a habit to study 5 minutes every day. Gradually increase the time day by day. Reach the exam hall early, pack your bag and clothes in advance the night before. Take proper rest and sleep well before the exam. Things like this seem simple, but trust me, they are important. You need professional help. Is it possible to get a good score on IELTS without any professional assistance? It might be. Did I get help? Yes. Again, it will cost you some money, but it's cheaper than failing the IELTS exam. If you don't know the IELTS Academic exam pattern, click the link in description. Reading and listening is just practice, so practice properly with authentic questions. In the speaking exam, try to speak more than you should. For improving your speaking skill, try to find a group of people whom you can practice English with. If you can't seem to find anyone to talk to, you can always talk in front of a camera like me. Try to listen back to your audio and find mistakes to improve. Practice over time will make you better. I did the worst in writing. I guess practice and try to get proper feedback. Don't try to use hard words. Try to use words you know how to use. It's an English language test. You want to show how good you are at English. You are not here to impress anyone with hard English words. Try to answer the questions clearly. Task 2 carries more marks, so I would advise you to start with that. All of this content is on my Substack. If you prefer reading, you should go to my Substack. It's free. The playlist on the screen should help.